Hello guys, welcome back to your own channel I Love 164. Today we are going to do the unboxing for this Pop Race Super Top Secret Supra. So this is actually an amazing casting. I love Supras, but Top Race make these cars like totally different. They have opening hoods, they have different kind of rims and everything. I mean, in some manner, Pop Race is a little better than many GT, even though there's no comparison. But still, look at this box. Let's open this up. Love opening this. You ready? I am. And here is your Supra. Let's put this back. Come on, let's put this on the side. Check this out. Look at those rims. Oh my god. Just amazing. Let's put this on the turntable and review. This is actually quite high. It does have some weight to it. Actually, it does have some impressive weight to it. Let's do a close review. So here is the closer look of your Top Secret Supra. I mean, who don't love JDMs? Especially if it is a Supra, we love it. It's a GT300, we love it more. So Top Secret, we are hyped about it. Look at those 10 spokes. I think they are 10 spokes, maybe 10, 12, I don't know. They look cool, no matter what. It does have all the liveries on the side, says Top Secret even on the front. Look at this cool feature. They have the exhaust coming out. You know that, right? If it's a Pop Race car, definitely something is going to open. So yes, it does have an opening hood. Here we go. It does have twin turbo in it. And a V8 probably. I mean, this is really cool. Look at that. It's so cool. So cool. So this was your Supra, and yes, it does roll really good. Pop Race cars are always good and rolling. Let me know guys, what do you think about this car? Actually, I'm quite digging this one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye bye.